Why are we held back from doing what we want in work and careers? It can be a complicated answer that is many years old. But before we jump to the answer, let me ask you another question that will lead to the same. Why so much uncertainty of type of work or career, or lack of motivation or understanding or encouragement to do what interests us? What can it be? And I'm very happy for you if you have figured this out already. But hang in there with me for a minute because you will also learn something here. Because many people have not figured this out, or have but may have not pursued it, or just feel or are stuck in some way. Why are so many people unsure or held back career wise? If this is you, no, it's very likely not your fault. This is from my point of view, and others much more successful than I am share similar views. Unfortunately, it's because of what society says. Here's what society tells us: go to school, get a degree, and get a good job. Here's a Forbes article from about 2 years ago. Why are so many college graduates unemployed? Quote, new graduates who enter the workforce have done nothing wrong. They are certainly not lazy. They were simply given one path, one option in life. Go to school, get a degree, and then you can get a job. End quote. Society, schools, government, and to a certain extent parents, because this is what parents learn, they do little or close to nothing in helping to explore or harness one's interests, talents, or strengths. Or they do little or close to nothing in helping one to explore or understand work or career types, skilled trade options, and many which don't require college or specialty degrees, or the correlation between learning in school and work, or the correlation between experiences and work. But no blame here. Make this a turning point. I use the word fault in saying it's not your fault, but not to focus on blaming others. It's to increase your awareness and self-awareness. Do not follow crowds, what everyone is saying. You're not everyone. Take control, explore work opportunities, harness your talents and strengths, and pursue your interests. So, no college, no degree?